We are here on 75th Street in Kenosha, and we recently just finished another one of our flips. This one was kind of a unique situation. Well, they're all pretty unique, but this was a call that came from one of our billboards, and it's right down the street from our office, which was kind of cool for us to have this. You can actually see one of our billboards from here. So this was a lady that, as always, hardship, needed to sell fast, needed cash. And we worked out a deal right on the kitchen counter in this house. So that was kind of fun to do the last time I was in town here. So basically this one was a flipped house already. We knew the guys from a couple years ago that bought it at sheriff's sale and flipped it. And this time we just had to come in and we had to do floors, and we basically painted everything. So, but really great house. We already have tenants that are moving in. So you'll see a lot of furniture around already, but we retained all the original woodwork that was not painted before, and everything else we basically whitewashed. So we've got a nice fireplace here. All of the windows have been replaced, which was great. Again, since this was a flipped house, this had granite counters, new kitchen cabinets, but definitely needed floors and paint. So in this particular one, we whitewashed everything. As you can see, even the sunroom there, which is a great spot to read. We've got, with the kitchen, stove cleaned up real nice, but all the appliances are newer, and all the cabinets were new with new granite. And again, we just did all floors with LVP, and this is one of the first ones that we kind of whitewashed everything. We just did an eggshell on all the trim, ceilings, walls. Worked out great. Painter came in, he worked 10-hour days all through the weekend here just to get it ready for people to move in. But this is a short-term lease that we're doing, and then we're gonna put this right back on the market. So we'll make some money in between here, in between the sale, and then we'll make it live to the public probably next spring. So, but this is a great one from start to finish. Real easy flip. We like these. Sometimes we're in them for 6 months, a year. This one we happen to be in and out of in less than 30 days. And we already had a tenant that was signing up before we put it on the market. So this one will be coming live out on the market in a short time, but for now, on to the next one.